Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Saba and I'm here to teach you a little math. Today, we're gonna talk about linear functions and graphs, particularly the equation of a straight line. You can see these two ways of writing the equation of a straight line. In the first one, we have slope and y-intercept in our equation. And with a quick scan, you can say what is the slope and y-intercept of our line. The coefficient of x is the slope or gradient of the line, and the constant term that is shown with letter B is the y-intercept of our line. What are y-intercept and x-intercept? Y-intercept is a point on the line where the line and y-axis meet each other. This is y-axis, and this is x-axis. And x-intercept is, of course, the point on the line that the line and x-axis meet each other. So, one way to write the equation of a line is when we have the slope and y-intercept, so we can quickly find out the equation of the line. The other way is using this equation here. Y with the index of 0 and x0 are the coordinates of a point on the line. It can be any point you know. It doesn't matter if it's on the x-axis or another point of the line. And m, of course, is the slope of the line. So, as you can see, for both of these ways, we need to know the slope of the line. Sometimes we have 2 points of the line and we don't have the slope, but we have to figure out the slope ourselves. We know that slope is delta y over delta x. So if I have the coordinates of 2 points, I can easily figure out the slope of the line. So we have to have the slope of the line for writing the equation, and we need one other point of the line. If the point is located on the y-axis, we can use the first equation. It will be quicker for us to find out the equation of a straight line. But when the point is not the y-intercept of the line, it's one of the other points of on the line, we may use the second one. Let's do some problems to um, understand these concepts better. Okay, here we want to find the equation of the line. For part A, it is said that the gradient is -1/2 and cuts the y-axis at 4. It means our y-intercept is 4. So we can use the first way to solve this. This was our equation of the line. We have to substitute A and B with the correct amounts. A was the slope, so it is said that the gradient is -1/2. And B was the y-intercept, which is 4. I'm going to substitute this in the equation. This is the equation of our line. Y is equal to -1/2x plus 4. This was for part A. Let's do part B. Of the line which cuts the x-axis at 4 and the y-axis at 3. So here again, it means y-intercept, which is 3. But we have another point. When a point is located on x-axis, it means that the y-coordinate of this point is 0. So this point is 4 and 0. We have 2 points here. When we have the y-intercept, it means the point is 0 and 3, the x is 0. So we have 2 points here. We can find out the slope of the line, then use either of the ways that we had for finding out the equation of a line. Okay, first the slope. What are, okay, I'm going to name this one A and B. YB minus YA, XB minus XA. So the slope is -3/4. So we have the slope and we have the y-intercept. Slope is -3/4. Y-intercept is 3. So the equation of the line will be this. I'm going to solve part B with the second way of writing the equation for a line. In the second way, we had this equation. Okay, solution 2. We had the equation y minus y0 is equal to mx minus x0. Okay, I'm going to write y as it was, minus y0 is the coordinate of one point on the line. It can be point A or B. I'm going to choose A, for example. So y0, I'm going to write 0 instead of y0, equal to m was the slope or the gradient that we calculate here, which was -3/4. X minus x0 was the x coordinate of the point A, which is 4. Okay, if we simplify this equation here, we'll get to y is equal to -3/4x. And then we have to multiply -3/4 to both of these terms. And if I multiply -3/4 to 4, we'll get to +3. You can see this is the same as this one, so it doesn't matter which way you choose, you'll get to the right answer. Another question, but this one is for you to solve. Please comment the answers, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.